Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to be showing you how to make your first 100,000 naira from scratch. This is a beginner's roadmap. In this video, as I've said, I want to talk to you about something very important: how to make your first 100,000 naira from scratch, even if you are starting with no capital, no connections and no special advantage. This is not a get rich quick video. This is a realistic beginner roadmap. If you stay till the end, you will understand. Number one, why the first money is more important than big money. The common mistakes that beginners make about making money, and also the three clear paths you can follow to earn your first income. Hello again, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Dr. Olugbengade Titun, and on this channel I teach you how to make money and in practical ways to make money online and offline, especially for beginner. Now, number one question you want to ask is why the first money matters more than big money. Let me say something many people don't like to hear. Your first 100,000 naira is harder than your next 1 million naira. Why? Because the first money is not just about cash, it is about belief. Belief before your first income. What do you need to do? You doubt yourself. Another thing you do before your first income is that you doubt the internet. Another thing you do is that you doubt every idea. But once you earn your first real money, your mindset changes and fear reduces. Confidence increases. Everything becomes clear to you. That first 100,000 naira tells your brain something, and what it tells your brain is that, oh, this thing can actually work. That's why this video is focused on first income, not millions of naira. Now, here are some common beginner mistakes that are made by people who want to make money. Number one, now let's talk about honestly about why most beginners never make their first money. Mistake number one is chasing too many ideas. Today it's crypto, tomorrow it's YouTube, next week it is forex, next month it is farming. Then that leads to confusion, and confusion is what is expensive. So the second mistake is waiting to be perfect. Many people are still learning after 1 year. No action, no result. Mistake number three is that you are looking for fast money, and anything that promises fast money usually comes with fast loss. Mistake number four is comparing with influencers. You are watching people who are already 5 to 10 years ahead of you. Comparison kills consistency. If you avoid these mistakes alone, you are already ahead of many people out there who want to make money. Now, let's look at the three realistic paths to your first 100,000 naira. Now, let's get into the core of this video. There are three realistic paths for beginners who don't need to do all. Just pick one. And path number one is skills. Skills are one of the safest ways to start from zero. Example, whether in Nigeria or in USA, graphic design. And today you can use AI for your graphic design. So it depends on the kind of prompt you want to put into it. Video editing, and then writing. These are skills. And then social media management is another one. Virtual assistant is another one. Phone repairs offline is another one. Why does skill work? Skill work because you need low capital for it. Then there's high demand. Then can be done online or offline. The goal is not to master everything. The goal is to learn just enough to solve a problem and get paid. Another way you can make money, the second path, is small businesses. These are practical, everyday businesses that you can do. Examples are food processing, like flour, like snacks, like catering. Then you can also go into POS business. Then you can also look at poultry or small livestock. Cleaning services. This is very strong in the USA and in many cities in Nigeria. Then printing and branding. The election of 2027 is fast approaching Nigeria. Printing works will be done, printing of caps, making logos on shirts, the logos of politicians on caps, on shirts, on papers, posters, here and there. So printing and branding is going to sell, and is even selling now. Now, these businesses may not look online fancy. but they produce real cash flow. Online tools can later help you scale them up. Now, let's look at the part number 3, which is services. Services mean selling what you know or can do. Example, you know a particular subject. You can become a tutor. You can become a coach, coaching people on some things that you know, or you can be a consultant. You can also freelance, offering what you know and getting paid. You can help businesses manage simple tasks because of what you know. Now, services are powerful because you don't need capital. You start with your knowledge, then claims pay you faster. Many people are sitting on money without knowing. Now, let's look at realistic timeline expectation. Let us be very honest. If you are consistent, 30 days learning plus practicing, 60 days first small earnings, 90 days 100,000 becomes realistic. What I'm saying here is that maybe you don't even have a skill. Maybe you don't even know anything you want to do. You can use the next 30 days to learn and practice. Then in the next, after that, the 60 days, after 30 days, then you can invest with any small earning, offering what you can do and getting paid. Then after that, the next 90 days, you are going to be earning 100,000 naira, and then it becomes realistic. Anyone telling you 3 days or 1 week is not being honest. Money rewards consistency, not desperation. Now, with this roadmap, who this roadmap is for, this roadmap I've outlined, who is it for? This roadmap is for beginners starting from zero. This roadmap is also for students. This roadmap is for workers who want extra income from what they are earning now. Now, it is also for people who are tired of fake promises. The internet is full of people who give fake promises. If you just click this, you will get money. If you do this, 1 million withdraw into your account. You do it, nothing comes. If you are tired of that, then what I'm saying should interest you. This part I'm talking about will also interest Nigerians who and people abroad who want realistic income path. This is not for lazy people. This is not for people looking for shortcuts. This is not for people unwilling to learn and act. Now, what this series will cover, I'm starting a series where I'll be talking to you about how you can make money and some other things. I'm really trying to hold your hand and be able to teach you and motivate you and move you and show you where you are, what you are going to do, just like as I've done in this video. More is going to come. So what does this series, what is going to cover? This video is just the beginning. In this series, I'll be breaking down how to choose one income path. I'll be talking to you about skills versus businesses. I will also show you how to get your first customer anywhere you are. I will show you pricing, how to price without fear. I will show you common mistakes to avoid and how to grow from first income to stable income. Now, so I want you to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that when I release a video, you'll be notified in your email that I've released a video, and then follow this series step by step, and you are going to be glad you did. Let me conclude by saying this. Let me end with this. Your life can change with your first small income, not big money. Start small, stay consistent, focus on one thing. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link of this video, and keep coming back to this channel for more. My name again is Dr. Olubinga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I'm going to talk to you in the next one, and I want you to remain consistent, remain ever vibrant. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.